Welcome to How to Dyno. Today I will show you how to manually assign roles using Dyno Bot. In order to assign roles to members, we'll be using the role command. Before we begin, please make sure the Dyno role is physically above the role you wish to assign. You must be a server administrator in order to use the role command. To use the command, you must specify the user you'd like to assign the role to and include the role name. You can also add and remove roles from a user, all in one command. Just separate each role by a comma. The plus symbol is used to add a role. The subtraction symbol is used to remove a role. You can also add multiple roles to the same user, or add a role and remove another, as shown on screen. To assign roles to everyone in your server, use the Roll All command. Please note, you can only add or remove roles one at a time with this command. Depending on how large your server is, it may take some time to assign roles to everyone in the server. To view the progress of the role assignment, use the Role Status command. You can also cancel assigning roles by using Role Cancel. The Role command also allows one to specify whether to assign roles to humans or bots, as shown on screen. To add or remove a role to users within a specific role, simply run the role in command with the role that you wish to make the changes to and the role you'd like to remove or add. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.